Hello, welcome to the another lecture of a data science series. Uh, um, as we are covering the solutions of our test two, we have covered we have covered a question of a um, decision tree in our previous lecture. And here I am going to cover the our third question, matrix related to the matrix and matrix evaluation, and the effectiveness of matrix in a text mining techniques. And our first question related to the IPC and the BNS section. Uh, I have already covered the IPC and the BNS section in the another lecture, so I will cover here in a short, only the basic and basic parts of this question. I have already discussed in detail in another lecture, so we will cover it in a very short note. Um, we have given a complaint, a theft of my phone by unknown person at MG Road on 2023 to 20. The phone on this date, the phone was stolen when I was shopping. The theft was wearing a black jacket and a scar on his face. So this is the complaint, and we need to apply the approaches and algorithms on this on the basis of uh, for identifying IPC in the BNS section for this complaint. So what the basically is our problem statement is, firstly we need to identify our problem statement, what actually the problem is. And the we know that the problem is regarding the FIRs, how it takes the manual efforts, and how because of manual work, the problem of error can occur, and how much time it takes. So basically the goal is to create a AI system that can quickly and accurately identify the relevant legal sections regarding that complaint. So here I have written the aim to develop a system using artificial intelligence to automate the complete process. Now the uh, scope is also very vast of this. In the legal system it will help a lot for the it will help a lot to the employees in the legal department. It means that who works for the um, police stations and etc. um, that takes the complaints from the common peoples, and resolve these issues, and apply the appropriate IPC BNS sections on that complaint, etc. Now, implementing methodologies, I have already discussed a lot regarding this implemented technologies in the another video. That is basically here I am only specifying in a short. The way first one is tokenization, named entity recognition, part of speech tagging and dependency parsing, then identification, then ranking, and the last is post processing. So this was so there is a description of these methodologies. After this, the silent features, as we know that how it will useful for our legal system. So the silent features are automatic section identification, speed and efficiency. Obviously it will be more efficient than a human work, manual work, and it will be also effective for mm, time purpose. So this was all about the IPC-BNS section, and the following is the flow chart which I have already covered. Now coming on our next part, next question, the about the metrics. What are the appropriate for what metrics are appropriate for the assigning the performance of algorithm and text mining? Give the metrics that evaluate the effectiveness and accuracy of the text mining techniques. In text mining, assessing the performance of algorithm is crucial. Understanding their effectiveness in the tasks like classification, clustering, sentiments analysis, and information retrieval. To take out it means that to take out insights from any type of a data, or to make a prediction over the data, we firstly need to make our unstructured data into the structure by applying different methods, or we can say that the different text mining techniques. The so here we are using the matrix technique to evaluate the effectiveness and accuracy of text mining technique. Then how we can evaluate this? The This can be described as a matrix for a classification task, like accuracy, precision, recall. To check the accuracy of any type of data, we need to calculate sorry to evaluate any type of text mining technique, or to evaluate accuracy of any type of text mining technique, we need to apply following methods, like we need to calculate the accuracy, precision, and recall for the matrix. The accuracy is defined as the ratio of correctly predicted instance to the total instance. The formula for this is TP plus TN, TP plus TN into TP plus TN. Uh, so this is the formula for accuracy. It is not possible to explain it mm, in an optimized way, because it may be difficult. So I will try it to explain in a simpler words. Basically, the TP means true positive, true prediction, and TN means true negative, and FN means false negative, and TP means true positive. These are related terms related to the predictions which we make over the data set. We calculate this on the basis of this formula, and whatever the result we get, that is considered as the accuracy for the matrix calculation. This is used for the balancing the data set. However, it can be misleading for the imbalanced data set. It So this is the use case of accuracy matrix. Now the another step is precision. Precision is defined as the proportion of true positive prediction among all positive predictions. Precision is basically isolated true positives from the positive predictions. The formula for this is and this is basically used when the false positives are costly. This is used in the place of false positives when they are costly. It means that their calculations is more costly than the true positives. Then next is the recall sensitivity, or we can say that the true positive rate. This is defined as the process of actual positives that can correctly predicted. The formula for this is and it is used in when the false negative are costly. In precision, we use it when our false positives are costly, and here we are using when our false negatives are costly. This So this was all about that the matrix of classification task. We need to calculate the accuracy, precision, and the recall. Then matrix for clustering task. So I will not explain it in these topics, because uh, they are in very depth. So this was all about that checking the effectiveness and accuracy of a uh, text mining techniques. Uh, so by this we have covered our topics, like the decision tree and the text mining techniques, and relate and what algorithms and approaches we can apply on our IPC and the BNS section. So this was all about that our second internal test paper. By this I will end my words. Thank you.